This Rachael Ray Bright's hard anodized nonstick pan is quite large. It measures 14 inches across. This gives you plenty of space for cooking many things. You can easily fry several pancakes or steaks at once. The gray color looks nice in most kitchens. And the hard anodized surface is strong. This pan feels like a dependable friend in your kitchen. The non-stick surface on this Rachael Ray Bright's hard anodized non-stick skillet is a real treat. Food slides off easily, and this makes cooking more enjoyable. Cleaning up is also a breeze because nothing sticks. The helper handle on the side is very useful. It provides extra support when you lift or move the pan, especially when it's full. This feature adds to the pan's practicality and makes it safer to use. Overall, the Rachael Ray Bright's hard anodized nonstick frying pan is a solid choice. It offers good cooking performance and convenience. While we haven't found any major defects, regular use and proper care will help it last. The size is generous, and the nonstick works well for everyday cooking. If you need a reliable and roomy skillet, this Rachael Ray pan could be a great addition to your kitchen. Pros: durable hard anodized, even heat distribution, long-lasting nonstick, effortless food release, easy cleanup, dishwasher safe, grippy, comfortable handle, helper handle included, oven safe to 350 degrees F, large cooking surface. Cons: can slip on gas range grills, may be smaller than expected, quality control can vary, coating can peel off, bottoms can stain, discolor, handles can get hot, rivets can trap food, not perfectly flat bottom, lids may not fit well, some report damage on arrival. Features: 14-inch size, helper handle, gray color, orange handle, durable build, even heating, easy cleanup, oven safe to 350 degrees F. This Rachael Ray Bright's 14-inch frying pan is made with strong material for long-lasting use and heats food evenly. It has a non-stick surface, so food doesn't stick and it's easy to clean. The pan is gray with a bright orange handle and also has an extra helper handle to make it easier to carry when it's full. You can even put this pan in the oven up to 350 degrees F. This 14-inch Rachael Ray Bright's frying pan boasts a durable hard anodized construction for even heating and long-lasting nonstick for easy food release and cleanup. Plus it's dishwasher and oven safe to 350 degrees F and includes a comfortable, grippy handle and a helper handle. However, some users have reported that the pan might be smaller than they anticipated and that quality control can vary, leading to issues like the nonstick coating peeling, staining or discoloration on the bottom, handles getting hot, food getting trapped by rivets, and the bottom not being perfectly flat. Additionally, lids from other pans may not fit well, and some customers have received damaged pans.